ये दांत सीधे कर दे ठाकुर. Very filmy. So yes, today I'm going to talk about straightening of teeth. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shilpa Rao from Sweet Smiles Dental Clinic and Implant Center, Viman Nagar, Pune. So what exactly is straightening of teeth and why is it required? So straightening just doesn't mean alignment, the looks wise, what we look at, the alignment of teeth. It includes everything, right from the aesthetics to the functionality of the teeth. So dental braces are a way of straightening or moving your teeth to improve how they look and how they work. So in this video, I'm going to talk about who are the right candidates to get braces and why are dental braces given to a person. We are available on YouTube and Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So you can follow us and like us on any of these social platforms. Please, subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification as soon as we put a new video. We have been trying to make as many informative videos to increase the awareness about dental health as much as possible. So do like us, do subscribe to our channel, and let's begin. So what exactly does dental braces do? Dental braces puts pressure on your teeth to slowly move them in the right direction. As the pressure takes effect, the bone in the jaw changes to allow the teeth and their roots to move. A common misconception many people have in regards to braces is that they are required only when you have crooked teeth or the teeth are pretty protruded. But that's not the case. One type of malocclusion you may experience is teeth overcrowding. This is where the jawbone is not big enough to accommodate all your teeth, and so you have a lot of crowding happening. If there are big gaps in between your teeth and spacing problems, this can increase the risk of tooth decay and gum diseases. It can be harder to keep large gaps in between the teeth clean during brushing and flossing. The next dental condition is crossbite. It's a dental condition in which the upper teeth fit behind your lower teeth when your mouth are closed or at rest. This can affect the front tooth or the back teeth, whatever. The next reason why you need a braces is underbite. It's a term in which the lower teeth extend farther out than the upper front teeth. It's actually called as a class 3 malocclusion. What happens is it creates a bulldog-like appearance in the mouth and the face. As opposed to underbite, we have something called as overbite, or as it is said, the buck teeth. It's a misalignment of the teeth that can range in severity. So, a lot of people don't need treatment, but a lot of them do need treatment depending on how bad your overbite is. The front teeth that protrude out over the lower teeth are commonly referred to as having an overbite. Now, let the dentist decide your severity. Now we come to overjet. This is the type of malocclusion that occurs when the top front teeth stick out past the bottom teeth, leaving a horizontal gap between the top and the bottom row of teeth. The way the top teeth stick out past the bottom teeth causes them to appear larger and more noticeable than the other teeth. So depending on the orthodontic issue that are corrected with your treatment, you might experience different results to those that we have mentioned. So at the end of it, it gives you a smile that you really are looking forward to and a more confident you. So if you are looking at a better smile and a confident you, please contact us. I'm Dr. Shilpa Rao and we are located in Viman Nagar, Pune. We will be always ready to help you with any queries that you have. You can post your queries on the post on our page. You can mail us or you can call us. We are available on all the social media platforms and you can visit us on www.sweetsmiles.in. Looking forward to another session of what braces can do to you and what kind of braces are available for you in the next session. I'll be back soon. And until then, bye-bye and take care. Stay safe and stay home. Take care.